everyone, it's me Jenny and welcome to my channel. So as you can see from the thumbnail and title of this video, in this video I'm going to be picking the winner of this giveaway, my first giveaway for 2021 this year. And right now it's February 1st, 4:20 a.m. so I woke up extra early today to pick a winner for this giveaway. The giveaway ends yesterday, January 31st. I was thinking to do at midnight to pick the winner, but I was so tired, so I just wake up extra early today to pick the winner for this giveaway. Okay, so this is the video. I'm going to copy the link. Okay, I copy the link and I'll go to this YouTube random comment picker and I'm going to paste the link of the giveaway right here. And now I'm going to filter duplicate user. Okay, and get YouTube comments. So while these are counting the comments, I just want to say thank you to all of you that enter this giveaway. As I mentioned from the video, from my giveaway video, I can only pick one winner for this giveaway and it is open worldwide. So if you are not picked as a winner, I am truly sorry. Please do not get upset. I can only pick one winner, and probably I will have another giveaway coming up soon this month, February, and 776 unique comments, and I'm going to pick the winner right now. Okay, so let's see who is the lucky winner. Okay, so the winner is Tracy Hamilton. Love the colors. It's so awesome that you give away your yarn. I am a beginner, but I can tell you I already have a yarn shopping problem. Well, me too, Tracy. So Tracy, do get in touch with me. My email is at the description down below, and I do hope that you get in touch with me within 2 weeks, because if I don't get a reply from you or email from you in 2 weeks, I have to pick another new winner for this giveaway. Okay, so I really do hope to hear from you very soon. And for those that did not win on this giveaway, I am truly sorry, and hope that you will be picked on my next giveaway. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day. Congratulations to Tracy.